Good evening, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about the 5 things that I love most about my bike, and we're going to get into that right now.
That's how we do it.
So, the 5 things I love about my bike. Where should we begin? Let's start with the vanity, I guess. I love the way my bike looks. I love its aggressive lines. I love its profile. You know, the silhouette of this bike in the shadows. It looks amazing from all angles, in my opinion. I love the underseat exhausts. I love how angry it looks from the front. I love how sexy the back end looks. You know, the whole 9 yards. You know, if this bike was a woman, it'd be a supermodel. No word of a lie. Number 2, the exhaust note. The thumpy V-twin engine just gives the bike so much presence on the road. I mean, with all the traffic that you're seeing in front of me and behind me and beside me, what can you hear most? My bike. What sounds the most appealing? My bike. What sounds the most aggressive? My bike. What gets noticed more? My bike. Number 3, the parts that I can get for this. I may have touched on this before in a previous video, and if I have, I'm sorry. But another reason why I like this particular generation of bike is the fact that I can get virtually any part off a 848, 1198, and it will fit, which is always a bonus, I guess. So if I had an accident, say, and I smashed up my nose fairing, I could pick up a second-hand 848 fairing or 1198, and guess what? It will fit. And that's one of the really nice things about Ducatis in general. I mean, I don't know if any other brands do it, but from my personal experience, all Ducatis I've owned have interchangeable parts to a degree. Number 4, the engine itself. I know that people are going to start saying I'm bullshitting and whatever else, but yeah, okay, I've had a £2,000 engine rebuild, but when the engine was new, now the engine's been refreshed, this thing sings. I'm not going to lie, it does everything I want it to do, absolutely fucking everything. It's got torque, it's got grunt, it's got noise, it's got acceleration, it just does everything I need it to do. And that, my friends, is number 4. Number 5, I guess it'll have to be the feeling you get when you're on one. At the end of the day, you can't turn around and say that riding a V-twin doesn't put a smile on your face, because for me, it does, in every sense of the word. You know, you don't have to ride it fast, you don't have to ride it hard, but on the whole, I absolutely love my bike. I really do. Like I say, I know things have gone wrong with it, and I've had to have this done, that done, and the other, but on the whole, I can't fault it. You know, she does everything I need her to do. She's got that road presence that not many other bikes have, apart from obviously the newer Ducatis and the V4s and the triples of the world, you know, the Triumphs and whatever else. But in all fairness, that's neither here nor there for me. I absolutely love everything about my bike, even the bad points. I know people are going to slate me for this, but I really don't care. My bike is my bike, and I will treat it as if it's part of the family. And yeah, I had a mate say to me last night that I get too attached to this, but do you know what? Of course I'm going to. I've had this bike for 3 years. It's the most expensive, most powerful bike I've ever owned, so of course I'm going to get fucking attached to it. But anyway, that's enough of my ramblings. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too boring for you. And as always, boys and girls, remember, stay safe, look after each other, have fun, and as always, adios.
You ready?